warahmatullahi wabarakatuh students. So today we'll be learning your English, your 7B reading, that is Indian cricket team. So I guess most probably everyone here must be a fan of this cricket. Okay, cricket is a well-known game and it is widely worshipped in India. Whether it may be a World Cup, ODI or IPL. Now I know you people must be aware of IPL and how enthusiastically you watch this IPL game and how amazed you will be on losing and winning of your favorite teams. So this is a little poem that has given in your syllabus that is about Indian cricket team. Now I shall be reading the poem first. When the umpire puts the toss, Dhoni is the boss. When Gambhir hits a century, Brett Lee goes for a knee injury. When Sehwag hits the ball to the fence, pointing becomes tense. When Taylor's runs out is taken to the third umpire's decision, he loses his batting position when India is in need of a run. Down goes the blazing sun when India gets the cup. They raise it up. So, this is honor whenever India wins the match, and it is honoring every player of the Indian cricket team who has actually raised the bars when it came to cricket. Now, I shall be reading the first stanza. When the umpire puts the toss, Dhoni is the boss. That means Dhoni was the captain of Indian cricket team when this poem was written, and whenever our umpire puts up the toss, Dhoni is the boss. And when Gambhir hits his century, Brett Lee goes to the knee injury. That means when this Gambhir hits a century, means whenever he takes 100 runs, the opponent, that is Brett Lee, injures his knee. When Sehwag hits the ball to the fence, pointing becomes tense. So, whenever Sehwag hits a ball, the pointing becomes tense. Matlab, it means that whenever Sehwag is hitting a ball, it may be either a 6 or a 4, but it neither will be a run or a 2. So, he always hits a 4 or a 6. So, when Taylor's run out is taken to the third umpire decision, and whenever someone is taken a run out, and the decision is always left to the third umpire. He loses his batting position when India is in need of a run. Down goes the blazing sun when India gets the cup. They raise it up. So what the next stanza is saying? The next stanza is saying that, or explaining you all, that whenever there is a batting position, whenever there is a batting position and whenever there is, India needs to be taken a run. Even the sun, even the cloud supports India, and finally when India has won, they lift the cup with all the proud and they show it everyone. So this particular poem was written when our India was won few cups and they were honored everywhere. Though it is Gambhir, though it is Dhoni, or though it is Sehwag, every single person in Indian cricket team has its own place and has made their own recognition in Indian cricket team. You know Dhoni for a reason, you know Gambhir for a reason, but altogether, as when they play as one whole Indian cricket team, their opponent should always touch the grounds and always have a taste of a dirt. So this was a little poem in honoring our Indian cricket team and their hard works towards they have put towards all the achievements and honor they have brought to India through the game. Hope everyone understood. I shall be continuing in the next class. Allah Hafiz everyone.